Hey yo, back again. That's how you adjust them DIY. Nice. Nice one. Good, good, good. I'm casting my eyeball over it all. It's all good to go. But you're constantly, when you're laying a wall, you're constantly looking at your lines to make sure they're nice and even, and all your points, all your corners are in the right spot. These clips help so much. This stuff gives me the screamers, but what can you do? It helps to protect the tile in transit. Whooshka. Give it a nice little pat. I was reading a comment this morning that a bloke was thanking me. He's been busy watching my videos and he's tiled his bathroom and ensuite, and that buzzes me out because he's listened to what I've been saying and he had the confidence and he hooked into it and did it. Following what I've been saying and what I've been teaching, so that's what it's all about. That buzzes me out. That really sort of gives me a tingle here and there. Knowing that I've helped someone achieve something that they wouldn't normally have done. see the routine I have? It's sort of, I don't know, I suppose it's more or less the same thing all the time. Put those in. Throw that sucker away. The clips used to be made out of a harder plastic. Now they're made out of a softer plastic and they're easier to squeeze your wedge in. Like everything is just easier and easier these days. Missed that one. And then, you know, like, bloody beautiful. I'll do this row and then I'll get to that PowerPoint and I'll show you how I cut that PowerPoint. I'll grout this wall later on this afternoon. Like it's, what's time, 9 o'clock. Once I'm out of here, I'll turn my fan on. It's not a super warm day, but it'll help dry my glue quicker. And then I can knock out my clips. Grout her up. Grout her up pretty in the same day. So this this video isn't sped up. If you hear me puffing a bit, well, yeah, that's because I'm moving out. So yeah, nothing sped up, folks. It's the real thing. You try and pull that off the wall. Okay, I'll come back to you soon.